Morning guys! Back to normal again, work. So, nagluto ako ng Chinese rice. Then, yung leftover namin na unbox noon, pinilito ko. Kasi ito yung breakfast ko. With ham and coffee. And my king is riding on the... Kasi back to normal again. Nakauwi na po siya guys. So, back to work na naman tayo. This is it. Sacrifice, you know. Guys, nakabase na po tayo. Back to work na naman tayo, guys. So, ito yung mga outfit natin ngayon. Diba, nilagay ko yung picture niya dito. Picture namin dalawa. O, diba? Oh, nice. Then, dun siya ngayon, nagpapahinga. Tulog na siya kasi may jet lag pa daw. Rarating niya lang as in doon ngayon. Diba? May 29 siya umalis dito. May 29 din siya darating doon. Okay, guys. Let's go to work. This is the reality, you know. Okay, let's go. This is it. Work again. Pag na tayo sa work, pero sige pa rin tayo guys for future. Choice tayo, napakainit. Napakainit guys. Talaga natin pumasok for future. Pag wala din naman tayo pumasok, wala naman tayo aanihin. So, huwag natin pumasok guys. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, going home now. Mother's Day pa lang. Mother's Month. Diba? First day ng work ko ngayon. It's done already. So, this is again. Ito na naman tayo. Hirap na naman tayong tumawid. Guys. Dito na tayo sa lobby. Nakatawid din tayo ng safe. Dito tayo sa taas, guys.